Welcome to a new video. Today, we'll guide you through launching a successful e-commerce business in the UAE. Let's dive into the steps that are required. Number 1. First is to identify your products or services and business name. Begin by determining what products or services you'll offer and choosing a unique business name. Number 2. Obtaining a valid trade license. Secure trade license is essential for legal operations in the UAE. Number 3. Setting up a company bank account. Establish a corporate bank account for your business transactions. Business bank accounts are required for smooth B2B transactions as well as for payment gateway registration. Number 4. Developing your business branding. Create your brand identity, including logo and brand guidelines. Number 5. Arranging product photography and content creation. Invest in professional photography and compelling content for your products. Number 6. Collaborating for website development. Work with a local web development company to build a site that knows UAE's legal and operational standards. A local e-commerce agency with experience can help you in avoiding many mistakes. Instead of going for cheap foreign companies, it's always good to work with a local agency with a local presence and good local portfolio. For e-commerce development, you can find a lot of platforms like Ecommerce, Magento, etc. A good agency can help you to select the best for your business. Number 7. Integrating a payment gateway. Choose and integrate a reliable payment gateway for secure transactions. In UAE, there are a lot of payment gateways, so selecting the best for your business is very important. Number 8. Selecting a shipping provider or fulfillment center. Partner with a shipping provider or fulfillment center that aligns with your business needs. You can find both cheap and expensive shipping providers in UAE. You have to select the best which matches your products. For example, if you are selecting a luxury item, never go for cheap shipping providers. Almost all international shipping providers like DHL, FedEx, USPS are available in UAE. Number 9. Engaging a digital marketing agency. Hire a digital marketing agency is very important for the success of your e-commerce business. As you all know, marketing is the backbone of every business. It's required to find the right marketing agency with regional expertise to boost your online presence. Number 10. Hiring a team for e-commerce management. Build a dedicated team or hire an agency to manage your e-commerce operations. As you start receiving orders, you need to fulfill them on a professional way. Pre-sales and after-sales supports are very important. For more insights and guidance, subscribe to our channel. Happy selling! Thank you for joining us. Remember, success in e-commerce starts with meticulous planning.